So today we're making Guyanese vegetable rice or Spanish rice. You'll need a few simple ingredients. Go grab it and let's get started. Let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Today I'll be using broken jasmine rice, but feel free to use any rice of your choice. I will be using some finely chopped carrots, some green beans and corn. If you have bora, you can use that instead. I have some red bell pepper, some onion, garlic, ginger, scallion, parsley. For the seasoning, I'll be using salt, chicken bouillon, black pepper, complete seasoning, and mushroom seasoning. So to a pot, I added some oil, and in goes some of my onions, and then I will add my garlic and my ginger. Give it a stir, and I will add a little bit of fresh green seasoning to that. Let them go for about a minute or two, and then I'll share the next step. Next, you want to add the washed rice, and then we will come in with some seasoning to add flavor and taste. Mix everything well to combine, and you want to fry this for a good 3 to 4 minutes or so. Make sure you fry that rice to lock in all the seasonings, and it also helps to keep the rice nice and loose and eliminate some of the starch. Once that is done, you want to add some hot water, give it a stir, and then cover this and lower your heat to the lowest and allow it to cook for about 25 minutes or so. After about 25 minutes, your rice should be perfectly cooked. What I like to do is cover it, remove it from the heat, and let it sit for about 10-15 minutes before I go in and fluff the rice. So after about 10 minutes, we're going to go in and fluff the rice, and as you can see, the rice is perfectly cooked. It's nice and loose and absolutely amazing. Now let's go ahead and prepare the vegetables. So to a pot, I will add my bell peppers and onions. Give that a stir and let it go for about a minute or so before I come in with the vegetables. I will add a little bit of seasoning here for flavor and taste. Remember, we already seasoned the rice, so you don't need much. Let that go for about 3 to 4 minutes or so, and then we will come in with our rice. You want to give the rice a real good toss. Make sure it's well coated with the vegetables. And lastly, we will add some fresh scallion parsley and some grated carrots. And that's basically it. The rice is super simple, but absolutely amazing. The perfect side dish. And here you have it, my version of Guyanese vegetable rice or Spanish rice. In my opinion, they're both the same because I make it the same way. If you have a different way how you make yours, let me know down in the comments. I did pair this with some barbecue baked chicken, a fresh garden salad, macaroni salad, and some fried rye plantains. And let me tell you, it was nothing short of amazing. Mwah, chef's kiss. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.